Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're gonna focus on using shared budgets in Google Ads 2026. Shared budgets are perfect for efficiently managing your spend across multiple campaigns, ensuring your budget is used where it's needed most. So let's dive into how to set them up and get the most out of your ad spend. Now, before we start, you're gonna have to set up your ad campaign. And to do that, you're gonna start your Google Ad account by going to business.google.com, and then you're gonna link your account here, your Google account, and click on Start Now and fill in the information about your business. Once you finish filling in the information about your business, the first step is to access the shared budget section. We're gonna go here. As you can see, this is the interface or the dashboard for Google Ads. As you can see, you're gonna log into your Google Ads account and you're gonna go to Tools and Settings, as you can see here, and then you're gonna go to the Shared Library section, and you're gonna scroll all the way down until you see the Shared Budgets. As you can see here, you're gonna click on it. From there, you're gonna create a new shared budget. You're gonna click on a new shared budget. For example, let's look for the picture. You're gonna choose the network, and then you're gonna click on and create a new shared budget. After that, you're gonna name your shared budget to keep it organized, and then set the budget amount. You're gonna enter the total amount you want to allocate daily across all campaigns, and this amount will be distributed automatically. After that, you're gonna select the campaigns to share the budget with. You're gonna choose the campaigns that will use the shared budget and all relevant campaigns that you want to optimize together. And the fifth step is to save and apply. You're gonna review your settings and click on Save to apply the shared budget. And the sixth and final thing is to monitor performance. You can check how the shared budget is distributed across campaigns and adjust the budget or campaign selection if needed. Also, make sure to use shared budgets to prevent one campaign from using all your funds, and regularly review performance to ensure optimal spend distribution, and shared budgets are ideal for campaigns with similar goals. And that's how you use shared budgets in Google Ads 2026. By sharing your budget, you will maximize efficiency and improve overall performance. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.